Today we're venturing into the heart of Chicago, a city renowned for its captivating skyline and vibrant urban energy. Our destination? Yeah, the spellbinding 360 observation deck, a realm where the boundaries between earth and sky blur and the city's narrative unfolds in all directions. Get ready to immerse yourself in the symphony of architectural marvels, a tapestry of cultures, and the undeniable rhythm of life below. This is more than a view, it's an invitation to witness the spirit of a city from every dimension. Welcome to a panoramic adventure that will leave you breathtaking, inspired. The zoo was beautiful, and from the zoo we got to the 360 observation deck. So that's what we do. We go around. Hey, Disney. Let's go inside to see the city from above. So they show you how high those towers are, and we're at 360 Chicago, which is at 3,030 feet high, 314 meters, and offers the most beautiful views of the city and the home of Chicago highest thrill ride hill. The Paris Montparnasse is a 689 feet. The Berliner Frankenstein is a 667 feet. And the Euromas Rotterdam is at 344. So as we see, we are the highest, 1,030 feet high. Look at this view for 1,030 meters up. So we are at floor 94, and this is the view. You can see the Navy Pier where we won last night, over there where the wheel is. And every Wednesday and Saturdays they have fireworks, and we see them yesterday and it was worth it. It's nice. And from here, like over there is a walk. You can walk, you can take a bicycle, you can go with the roller skating, everything, and you go to the beach. Over there somewhere, if I can see it right in this small camera, you can see people are just laying down in the sun. It is beautiful. So this is a replica of the building we're on. It's John Hancock Center in Chicago, and it's built in 1965, from 1965 to 1969. It's a 100-story up. Height is 1,130 feet, and with the antenna is 1,510 feet. And here's the skyline of Chicago. It is beautiful, and you can see it from 1,130 feet up. Again, people stay here and enjoying the sun and the waves. I see people in the water. So all of these grounds, they have people enjoying the life. So on this 360 observation deck, it's such a cool bar in here where you can stay and have a drink. And you have this view. Look at this. Look at the view. I remember since last time I was here with them. But now we go around, you can buy a drink or a snack or something. And then you go to see the view of Chicago. This is so cool, and we see the place where we went yesterday. Here's the Navy Pier, part where the wheel is. Farther down over there is the aquarium. You can see the whole Chicago from the 94th floor. So cool. So here's where the people go and they float and they take pictures. Right now they're cleaning, and then when they tilt it, they go backwards to see it. Oh my God, I'm scared just to look at them. So they see the same thing. Do you see how they move them? Oh my God, it's really crazy. Whoa, I don't know. I am guessing they're like 45 degrees. They all seem to go backwards. Somebody's taking pictures from the back, and they're all shaking up, all moving. And here is picture time, smile. Yeah, that's a cool experience for people who are not scared of the height. I am. Now we're gonna leave the 360 and the tilt from 360 from 94th floor. It was a cool experience. I recommend it. We didn't pay separate because we got the city pass card for 136 and including 5 attractions. This one is one of them, and I recommend it. The last time I paid separate, me and Ben, but this time with my family we got the cards, which was actually better. So we walked by the Michigan Lake, and we got hungry, and we decided to go to Purple Pig restaurant. We have the restaurant recommended by 2 ladies. When we went to the steakhouse, they said Purple Pig is the restaurant, the best food they ever eat. So we said, okay, we give it a try. So let's go to Purple Pig. We got to Purple Pig, and look at this pork, how smooth they are. Oh my God. This is a beautiful restaurant. I don't know. It's very busy, but the food is excellent. So far, so good. So far, I eat the mushroom and I recommend it. We got the barbecue ribs. It comes with a little side. Wow, we got the pork chop. Look at this huge, humongous pork chop. Wow. So Purple Pig is the restaurant to come. It's right on Michigan Avenue, across from Intercontinental, and I really recommend it. It's busy, but the food is excellent. Wow, the ice cream looks so cute. Chicago skyline. We are on the interesting bridge. So from the Beans, which is in the park over there, we went on a round and around bridge made by steel. How was dinner at Purple Pig? How was it?
It's really good. Very interesting.